Hello and welcome to a guide by Miner in Age of Empires 2. This one is to do with the civilizations, and today we're doing, or in this video, we are doing the Byzantines. So here we have the cataphract, which costs 70 food and 75 gold. So if I were to create one, they have 110 hit points, 9 attack and 1 armor naturally. Now the cataphracts also have an attack bonus against infantry. If I were to create a villager, the only upgrade from the stable the Byzantines can get is an extra 10% cavalry speed, costing 250 gold. So if I get the blacksmith and just get all the upgrades and also go to the Imperial Age, the upgrade to elite cataphracts costs 1600 food and 800 gold, which is quite a lot, but they are a very strong unit, so it is very well worth it. So if I do that, they now have 150 hit points, 12 attack and 1 armor naturally. Fully, they have 14 attack and 5 armor. So if I were to see what their unique technology was, which is Logistica, it allows cataphracts to cause trample damage and costs 1000 food and 600 gold. Now it took me a while to work out exactly what that does, but if I research that and then put on Marco and Polo to find where my allies are, let's just destroy this castle and bring them down and send him in to attack one of these units. Now he's only attacked a possible 3 units there. Now let's see, that one has gone down to 25 health. He didn't attack him. Any others? Yep, he's gone down to 25 health. He's gone down to 15. And so you could see with the 25 health and the 15 health ones that the attack that he does, even though he was attacking someone else, someone behind him was caused to be damaged, and that's what Logistica does. It allows them to attack one unit and damage another. It's probably due to the horse's hooves, or it's just being knocked by something else on the cataphract. The team bonus that the Byzantines get is that monks have a 50% plus heal speed. So for example, if it took 3 seconds to heal 10 hit points, it will actually take 3 seconds to heal 15 hit points. And that's a team bonus, so everyone on the Byzantines side will also get that bonus. And that's very useful. You could have an Aztec Byzantine group, a team on one side. So if you are then playing the Aztecs, your monks can get 95 hit points, 12 range of conversion, and then also an extra 50% heal speed, which makes them an incredible unit. As for their own bonuses, one of the ones that they can get is that buildings in the Dark Age get an extra 10% hit points. In the Feudal Age they get an extra 20%, in the Castle Age an extra 30%, and in the Imperial Age an extra 40% hit points. So let's say I was to go into the Imperial Age, get hoardings, and I can't get masonry or architecture, so castles, 8,131 hit points, which is huge. They're very, very strong, and it would take a lot of trebuchet or ram hits to actually destroy that castle. Another bonus for the Byzantines is that their camels, skirmishers and pikemen cost 25% less. So when I say pikemen, I mean spearmen, pikemen and halberdiers. So for example here, a spearman would normally cost 35 food and 25 wood. Here they only cost 26 food and 19 wood, and it doesn't matter if you upgrade to pikeman, still the same. And let's just quickly go into the Imperial Age. Oops, that one, there we go. And if we go up to halberdier, still costs 26 food and 19 wood. For skirmishers, they cost 19 food and 26 wood. If you go to elite skirmishers, still the same, 19 food, 26 wood. They would normally cost 25 food and 35 wood. And the same with camels. So a camel would normally cost 55 food, 60 gold. Now they cost 41 food and 45 gold. And the same amount of resources if you upgrade to heavy camel. The penultimate bonus for the Byzantines is that fire ships and fast fire ships get an extra 20% attack. So here I've got a fast fire ship, same hit points, attack, armor and range as this fast fire ship. So let's see how they do against each other. So due to being AI, this fast fire ship attacked when it was down to about 100 health. So if we just see when it dies, theoretically if they had the same attack, my fast fire ship would be down to about 20 health. However, it's about 52 health, so it's very useful in water matches, obviously, like I guess things like migration and rivers and all those other maps. The final bonus for the Byzantines is quite a useful one, actually, especially if you're playing a wander race. It's that the advancing to Imperial Age costs 33% less. So normally it costs 1,000 food and 800 gold. Now it costs 667 food and 536 gold. So the reason why I say this is good for wander races is obviously you need to try and get to the Imperial Age as quickly as you can in order to build a wander. So you don't need as much resources to get to the Imperial Age. Those are all the bonuses, unique unit and technology for the Byzantines. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next part, which shall be the Celts.